guys, I just want to take a moment and show y'all the curtains I made and to show y'all these stickers that I got from Amazon to put on the wall in the Sunday school classroom. Check this out. I love before and after pictures, so I did take a picture before, and let me show you what it looks like after all the ladies pitched in, and I'll show you what I did. I created a mural with these trees, and this turned out great. This Sunday morning, I came in and I fully expected them to be laying in the floor, but they didn't. They actually stuck to this block wall. This was so worth the money. I only paid $26 for them. And look at what all the other ladies did in the room too. One lady decorated the door and another lady painted chairs all throughout the classrooms. And the valences looked so cute in here, and the kids loved it. This looks great, but all that really matters is that we teach these kids about the Bible and that we plant those seeds. But you know what? It really is nice for them to walk in a room that is so inviting.